Good day and welcome back to Switchblade Wade's EDC. We're back with another video. Hope you're all good. So here we have a Renzo Pascotto Italian Switchblade Picklock, nickel silver brass liners and horn. I'm not too sure what type of horn this is again, but it's beautiful green horn. Look at that. There was a few of these made last year, and I was lucky enough to get one. Let's check here. There we go. Look at that, beautiful. One of one. Thick blade, fat button, fat safety, fat back spring. Let's give it a little fire. Here, as you can see, Renzo Pascotto, Maniogo, Italy. Oh, beautiful, just another beauty. Yeah, I got this one from Italy. This came from Francisco, and he gets it directly from Renzo, from the knifesmith himself. Look at that. Super cloudy today, overcast but hot. Yeah man, solid piece, nice Picklock, old school. Look at that again. I actually have this for sale right now. It's not cheap, so if you want, you can contact us and just leave a message on the video. But you're looking over $500 plus shipping. Probably, yeah, from $650. Or I might just keep it. It's the only one. Beautiful knife. Renzo still makes the Picklocks. It was the original Italian stilettos from the early days of Picklocks. Now they all swivel bolsters. Not the same quality, but I've got Renzo here. Right, this one nice. Just beautiful. My first Picklock, by the way. I love it. I love the horn. It's just, I've never seen one like this before. I've never seen it. It's so beautiful. There were many other shades of horn, also all beautiful. But this green just stuck out, man, to me. The color of money. Alright, so it's just another short look-see of my personal collection here, and yeah, I might let this one go, but now making this video I don't know anymore. But speak to me, leave me a comment, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and visit our online store in our bio. The link is there in our description, and you can get some more affordable Italian stiletto knives, and some watches, cool OTFs as well, Gambit OTFs, lever automatics, wide selection, guys. Go check it out. Anyway, enjoy this one. This one again. I'm a flick before we go. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. Keep on rolling. You know what time it is. Thank you for joining us again. We'll see you soon with another cool knife. Go shop our store, check the store out, visit the website. See you soon. Renzo Pascotto, Maniago, Italy once again. Picklock, Italian Stiletto Switchblade. Peace out, guys.